guerrilla comes from guerrilla warfare. And guerrilla warfare is unconventional warfare. So when you say guerrilla filmmaking, you're saying unconventional filmmaking, because convention is the status quo, the industry, the rules, all that kind of stuff. Now there are rules that, God damn it, Alexa, work mode. That's right.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay, so
it's gonna be multi-layered with the lighting.
I'm really inspired by Francis Ford Coppola when he made Apocalypse Now, because he had just made The Godfather, and everybody knows about The Godfather, right? So he was huge for making The Godfather, and he was like, I want to make this Vietnam movie, and they're like, no, you're crazy. No, you're not. We're not giving you the money to do that. He's like, okay, bet. So he goes to his wife and he says, honey, I want to make this Vietnam movie, and I'm gonna put up the house, and we're all gonna move to the Philippines. And she's like, okay, let's do it. And she was down. She was down with the sickness, bro. She was down for the cause. And that's the kind of people that I'm looking for the show, because you need to be down with the cause. You got to see the vision. You got to want it. You got to see it. You got to believe it. And we're doing this by San Antonio for San Antonio.
Woo!
Exactly. But no, it's real, because when you're a guerrilla, you are fighting for a cause, you know what I mean? Because you're fighting against the convention. And I believe myself as a guerrilla warfare against, the film industry. That's how I see myself. You know? I mean, I don't really see myself like that, but like, to put it in lack of a better term, that it is, I am because I have to be.
Yeah.
I am because I have to be, because I have to fight tooth and nail to get what I want, just like guerrilla warfighters do.
Right. To have that seat at the table, pretty much.
Yeah, I'm gonna usurp that seat at that table. I'm gonna take it. It's mine to take.
Exactly.